So over here, you can see that I am in a website that is Microsoft.com's Outlook that I can access by going to Outlook.com. So if I were to go around on to sign in over here, then you can see that it prompts me to sign in onto my account over here. And let's just say I'm going to go around and sign in onto this account and click on next. Once I do that, it prompts me to enter out my password. So let me just go around and enter out my password right here. And then it prompts me to save the password, as you can see right here. So it says Microsoft Edge will save the password to your Microsoft account, and it says save password automatically. And if I were to go around and say yes, then what happens is that it saves the password. Then you can simply go around over here onto settings over here, just like this, and then go around onto password. Then you can see that a live.com password has been saved, and this is what you have, as you can see. So all the password is actually automatically saved by prompt, just like this. Especially with Microsoft accounts and for supported sites, this is what is true. So that is how you can go around and then utilize the save password prompt inside of Microsoft Edge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.